Oh my God. Have you guys saw what happened to Ohm last night? For over the past few hours, Ohm has dropped over 90% of its price from $5.75 all the way until 0.37. That's insane. Wiping over $5.5 billion. That's crazy, man. People in the community has been asking what happened to Ohm? What happened to Ohm? But you know what? What happened to me is that I've been getting this, this, and this on a multiple trade. When people ask me what happened to Ohm, and you know what? My answer is who cares? We are here to just make money. We are not here to know the history of it. We are not here to identify, to investigate what actually happens to what when you have money coming in your pocket, right? So the question here is, are you the one who fall into as a victim, or are you the one to be the gainer right here? That's going to be the important question. In a lot of times when people say that don't catch a falling knife, yes, that's true. But when opportunity arises, you need to grab this opportunity. As I always say, I rather lose money rather than losing an opportunity, because you never know when this opportunity might happen again. This is exactly what happened to Luna a few years back. If you are old enough to remember, when the price dropped all the way down almost to zero overnight. And this has caused a lot of people lose a lot of money. And you know what? In our community, there are two students that actually made it to like 4,000 over percent on their trades in just overnight. So the thing here is that trading is not as complicated as you think. If I would like to just simplify it, it's just only two buttons to press. It's either a long button or a short button. It's just only two buttons to press. How hard can that be? But the challenge here comes in, which is the right button to press at the very right time. So if you wish to learn this lifelong skill of making money through trading crypto, we are going to host this free crypto trading apprenticeship program for 3 months, where I'm going to guide you on a step-by-step basis for free to teach you all the way from setting up your accounts all the way until making your first profit. If you wish to learn this lifelong trading skill, click on the description area below, join the Telegram group where further instruction will be given there. While at the very same time, don't forget to sign up for your Bitunix account in the description area below. Send your user ID to me, where I'm going to add you to this Telegram group where you can enjoy all the support that you need and gain massively together with us, like what I did in all these trades above. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.